Hello my dear friends, welcome to JJ Academy YouTube channel. So in this new course of Microsoft Access, we are going to learn about from the basic up to the advanced level of Access. So let's see the topics first. So these are the topics that we are going to cover for this course. First of all, we'll discuss about what is Access, how to use it, what is data, what is database, what is RDBMS, how to create a table, what are the different types of data available in Access, what is primary key, how to create a primary key, and with that we'll also see how to create a relationship between two tables using a foreign key, and we'll see the different kinds of queries and in the last forms and report. So today in this session we'll discuss about the data types of Access. Now data type means what? The type of data that we are entering inside the database or table. For example, roll number, name, class, and so on. So the data that we enter inside the table have a different data types. Like say for example, the first one is sort text. Sort text means a combination of text or numbers. For example, when we are declaring a student name, so for that we require a data type as sort text, and its maximum length is 255 characters. Now suppose if you want to store more than this size, then you can go for this long text, which allows you to enter up to 63,000 characters. Now the next, numbers. When you want to work with the calculation or any mathematical functions, then you can use this data types. The next one is date and time. When you want to store any date or time inside your table or database, at that time you can use this date and time. The next one is currency. Generally we use currency value for float value or rounding off values, which stores 8 bytes in memory. And the last one is the most important, that is auto number. This is a special data type in Access which will be incremented by 1 every time. For example, suppose if you have created a student table, now in that if you wish that roll number should be incremented by 1, then you can use this auto number data type. The next one is yes and no, which is a kind of Boolean value. If you want to store any Boolean value with your table like yes, no, true, false, on, off, then you can use this yes or no data type. The next one is OLEobject. OLE stands for object linking embedding. When you want to store any other file like Word file, Excel file, pictures, sounds, or any binary data, then you can use this OLEobjects. Now the next one is hyperlink. When you want to store any kind of link with your database, suppose if you are creating a database for different kinds of websites for your data, then you can use this hyperlink data type. This is an example of student table which stores the different types of value. As you can see, I'll show you practically how to perform this. Now let me show you practically with example. First of all, you need to open Microsoft Access. Now select blank desktop database, give the name of the database. StudDB stands for student DB. Click create. Now as you can see the icon table 1, right click on it, click on a design view, give the name of the table, that is student. Now we'll create this all field with the different data type. The first field we require is SID, that is student ID. Let me keep it data type as auto number. Then student name, let me keep a data type it for short text. As you can see, the field size, maximum field size is 255. Now the next, student full name, full name, and its data type is long text. And the next one is class. For that we have applied here again short text. For contact we have put number, and for date of admission we have kept date and time because here we want to store date of admission. Now the next one is Aadhaar number field. Here we want a boolean value, whether a student is submitted Aadhaar ID or not. So for that we have applied here boolean, that is yes or no field. And the next one is student photo. Here we want to store a photographs of student. So for that we have to apply here OLEobject data type. And the next one is website. Here we want to store a different URLs. So for that we have kept hyperlink as a data type. Now the next field, here we want to store a student's mark sheet. So for that there is a data type attachment. And the last one is gender. See, here I want to give a two choices for the student. So for that there is a data type lookup wizard. So first of all, for that you need to see short text. Now click lookup wizard, select this one. I will type next. Now provide the value for that option, male, and next one is female. Now click next and finish. Now our student table is ready. So press Ctrl S. Now let's enter a value inside this student table. For that you just have to double click on it and give the value, enter the value inside this. For date of admission, as you can see here the icon, this is the calendar. Just click on it and select any date that you want to insert. And here as you can see there is a checkbox option because we have used the yes or no data type here. Now here suppose if you want to insert any photographs, so for that you just have to do right click on it and click here insert object, select this one, click on a browse and select any photographs that you want to insert, click OK, and as you can see the data is entered. Here you want to, if you want to enter any URL then you can enter. If you click on this then website will be open because this is a hyperlink data type. So by clicking on this one, page will be open as you can see here. Now here suppose if you want to attach any file, so for that just again do right click on it, manage attachments, click add. Now select any file. Okay, the file is inserted. Here we have applied lookup wizard, so you will receive two options, male or female. So select any one, press enter. So data is ready. Press Ctrl S, and to close that there is a shortcut key Ctrl F4, or you can click here. The table is closed. I hope you understood how to create a table with these different data types. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.